Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to fix the error retrieving trade offers issue in Counter-Strike 2. If you've been having trouble with trade offers, you're not alone. This error can be frustrating, but with our comprehensive guide, you'll be able to resolve it in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into complex solutions, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with retrieving trade offers. Step 2. Restart Steam. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various issues. Close Steam completely and then reopen it. After restarting, check if the error persists. Step 3. Verify game files. 1. Open Steam and go to your library. 2. Right-click on Counter-Strike 2 and select Properties. 3. Go to the Local Files tab. 4. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and replace them if necessary. Step 4. Update Steam and Counter-Strike 2. Ensure that both Steam and Counter-Strike 2 are updated to the latest versions. You can check for updates by 1. Closing Counter-Strike 2 in Steam. 2. Restart Steam. It will automatically check for updates. 3. If an update is available, it will be downloaded. Step 5. Check your trade settings. Sometimes, trade offers may not work due to privacy settings. Go to your Steam profile settings. 1. Click on Privacy Settings. 2. Ensure that your game details and inventory settings are set to public or friends only. Step 6. Clear your browser cache. If you often use the web browser for Steam trading, clearing the cache may help. Open your browser settings and clear your cache and cookies. After this, try accessing trade offers again. Step 7. Disable VPN or firewall. If you are using a VPN, temporarily disable it. Some VPNs may interfere with the ability to retrieve trade offers. Similarly, ensure that your firewall is not blocking Steam or Counter-Strike 2. You can check this by 1. Going to your firewall settings. 2. Allowing Steam and Counter-Strike 2 through the firewall. Step 8. Contact Steam support. If none of the above solutions work, it may be time to reach out to Steam support for further assistance. Make sure to provide them with detailed information about the issue for a quicker resolution. Make sure to follow these steps carefully. We hope this guide was helpful in resolving the error retrieving trade offers issue. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.